welcome to another episode with Cardine Family. Another week, another struggle. Today I'm gonna be making the kids tacos. First I'm gonna wash my chicken breasts. My hands are properly washed with some vinegar. Clean. Out. This our color. So guys, now we're gonna wash this. Baby cherry tomatoes, baby spinach. So this is for Skyra. And for the spinach, she's gonna have this. Okay guys, let's mix the sauce. First, I'm gonna start with the mayo. Ooh, that's beautiful. Thank you. I'm gonna start with some mustard. Go ahead, I'm putting some mustard. You're welcome, baby. Putting in some honey. Some paprika. Some salt, this is optional. And some olive oil. We're gonna put a little bit of vinegar. I'm just gonna whisk. Yes, baby, I'm making you. No, I'm recording. Do you want to check in there, please? Thank you.
Mommy,
Yes, Mama. I'm just gonna put this on the side and I'll put in my bacon on the fire because I want that extra crispiness. So let's do it. So this is for Chanel and Shane. I'm not gonna be making my husband's own now because he is not going to eat now. Yeah, because It's not time for him to eat. And I will chop this up. This is the wrap that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to put it on the fire now. How many wraps do you want? One or two? Just one?
No, two.
Two? Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mom, have three, please?
Yes, you can have two if you want.
I want three.
Three? Okay. Oh, really? So you use the other one then. Guys, these are the things that I'll be using here. I have my sauce that I mixed, guacamole, spinach, cabbage, the cherry tomatoes, my tortilla, and my chicken that I made. So I'm gonna assemble everything together. So let's do it. Okay guys, my hands have been washed. Now let's put everything together. I'm gonna grab my sauce. Get some spinach, just pull it around. Get some cabbage, get some tomatoes, the cherry ones, and some bacon. Everyone has like 3 each, just for the crispiness. And now I'm gonna put in her chicken. You said you wanted 2 wraps, right?
Yes, please. I want 3 wraps.
And I'm just gonna fold everything.
Ow, my nose.
You can add more sauce at the top.
Mom, can I have more sauce at the top?
When you're done, yes, my love, you can.
I want more sauce at the top. Mommy, that's always for Susie. That's always for Susie, no?
It's for Susie, and I'm gonna make yours.
Mommy, that's just for me.
No, one is for you.
What is for me?
So Chanel wants 2 of these. I doubt if she's gonna finish it, but again, who am I to judge? I'm gonna
Okay,
do
that
it.
mask because let's continue playing the catching game.
I want to put her some of these. So I need this extra spot. So the one that is left, maybe she can eat it or she can eat it herself. Your bag, please.
Okay, enough.
Yes, I'm gonna make this.
Okay, enough.
Yes, baby, you can eat now. I'm coming to make it. Take this one.
Mom, can you eat that?
Yes, you can take this one. Eat this one. Once I'm done with Chanel, I'll come, okay?
Can you eat this?
No, you cannot eat that because...
Please, this.
Yes, you can take your juice.
Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy, for what? Why are you telling me thank you? Some milk, some juice, and of course, this.
I'm going to be using my hand.
And you make sure it's properly clean.
Yes, okay.
It's ready. Outfit check.
I checked.
Pose. Ooh. Ooh. Let's go. Check. Okay. Spin around. Guys, Chanel dressed up herself. I can't say anything. Okay. Thank you
Thanks
guys.
for watching. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and yeah, guys, peace.
Boom. Let's go.